Alright. Suicide dive, people, let's go. Yeah, CM Punk, Daniel Bryan. They do it the best.
No countdown. I'm just gonna go myself.
Just gonna go? Okay, by the way, kids, gotta warn you, don't do this at home. You're gonna break your freaking neck.
Are you serious?
Possibly.
Alright. I'm gonna take the risk.
Take the risk. Okay, whatever. Let's go. I wonder if he's okay. That wasn't a suicide dive, by the way. Should I do it too? Joe? I'm gonna do it anyways. Alright, let's go. Like I said, don't try this at home, kids. Or else you'll probably get hurt or something. Alright, suicide dive. Oh my God!